For the following 11 salary, calculate the IQR and determine if any salary are the outlier. The salary are in dollar. We could calculate this by hand, calculate quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. Then we find the difference of quartile 1 and quartile 3, and that is our IQR. Or we can use the calculator to calculate the quartile. So I'll go ahead and start out with the calculator to calculate the quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. We enter all of this value into our calculator. Start. And let me clear the list. And we will enter all this value into our calculator. Okay, your start. We will calculate list 1. So quartile 1 is 40,500. Quartile 2 is the median 54,000. Quartile 3 is 69,000. Okay. So the next thing, we'll calculate our interquartile rank. This is the difference of quartile 3 and quartile 1. So 69,000 minus 40,500. And that is 28,500. We will calculate the outlier. First, we'll find the quartile 1 minus 1.5 interquartile rank. That is 40,500 minus 28,500. That is 12,000. The upper value is quartile 3 plus 1.5 interquartile rank. That is 69,000 plus. Did I forgot to multiply the first one by 1.5? Yeah, I did. So let's go ahead and multiply with 1.5. 28,500 there, and this is plus 1.5, 28,500. So let's do both of this calculation again. So the first one is negative 2,250. The second one that is 111,750. So compared to this data, so we can see that 120,000 is the outlier. The list are 29 age for Academy Award winning Best Actor in order to from smallest to largest. We want to calculate the 20th percentile and 55th percentile. Okay. Earlier, our formula was P percentile to percentile is equal P over 100 times the number of what? Number of data point plus 1. So at 20 percentile, so 20 divided by 100 times 29 plus 1. So 20 times 30 divided by 100. So this is 600 divided by 100. So this is 6. So this telling you this is the location of where the 20th percentile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is where the 20th percentile. So 20 percentile. Or we call it P sub 20 is equal to 27. The next case, we look at the 55th percentile. So 55 divided by 100, 29 plus 1. So this is 16.5. So the location, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right, so it's 16.5. So that is between 16 and 17. So this meant the 55th percentile equal the average of 52 and 55. The next thing we want to talk about is the box plot. How do we create a box plot? We first organize the data. Make sure the data set is organized from the smallest to the largest. If there are multiple group of category, make sure they properly label. Find the quartile 1, 2, and 3 of your data set. Calculate the interquartile range. Identify the potential outlier. If the outlier value that falls significant, outlier value are the one that falls significant outside of the interquartile range. Right. Then you draw the box. Draw a box from Q1 to Q3. The box represents the interquartile range. You draw the median line that corresponding to Q2. Draw whisker. Whisker extends from the box to the minimum and maximum value with certain range. Common whisker extend up to 1.5 times the IQR from the quartile. Then we plot the outlier. Okay, plot any identified outlier at individual point. Now the following data are the height of 40 students in statistics class. I'm going to enter all this into our calculator to find the quartile. Okay, we construct the box plot. I'll go ahead and enter this into my list 1. So now we calculate the quadrant. So here we have the minimum 59, quartile 1 64.5. So the mean equal to 59. Quartile 1, that was 64.5. Quartile 2 is 66. Quartile 3, 70. Max equals 77. Now we will calculate our interquartile rank. That is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. 70 minus 64.5. And this is 5.5. So let's calculate the range of usual value. Let's check for outlier. 1.5 interquartile rank. So 64.5 minus 1.5 times 5.5. 56.25. Quartile 3 plus 1.5 interquartile rank. $78.25. So we have no outlier. So let's go ahead and start with our number line. This is 0, this is 100, 50, 25, 75. So minimum is 59. So minimum is 59. Quartile 1 is 64.5. So somewhere over here. And then 66 for our quadrant 2, 70 for our quadrant 3, and this is the max. So this is our plot. So let's label this value 64.5. So the minimum is 59, the maximum 77. Quartile 2, quartile 1 64.5, quartile 2 66, quartile 3 70. And so that's our box plot. And since we have no outlier, I won't sketch that.